Hello guys, in this tutorial I am going to explain what are the variables and what are the different types of variables and data types. Okay, first of all we want to open Eclipse. Okay, my Eclipse is here. Okay, just to open the Eclipse, we can create a new project by click File, New, and here is the Java project. Because I am using this is Java EE, that is for Enterprise Edition. So here is the web applications is mostly we can see. So I am just selecting a project and a Java project. Okay, next, click next, and the project name is basic Java. Basic Java. Here we used a 1.8 Java JDK. Okay, click here next. Okay, and click finish. The kind of project actually Java perspective. So I am open perspective for and the perspective for the Java, not Java EE. See that here is the Java and here is the perspective for Java EE. So first upon we need to I am going to create a package. So package name can be com.anon dot package name is basics. Okay, this finish, click finish, created a package and click and right click here, new class. Here is the class name. So this is the package name and here is the class name is variables and data types. Okay, click here to show the public static void main function. Okay, finish. Then a class will be loaded here. I can close the task list and outline because of we don't need to use this. Okay, here and the both line we don't need. Okay, I already explained about what are these items. Okay, there are three types of variables we are using in Java. There are see that local variable. One is local variable. Before this, okay, just paste it. These are the variables. First is local variable, next is instance variable, third is static variable. I will show you what are this. The variable declared in class, a variable declared inside a class. This is a class, public class variable data types. I am going to declare a variable int a is equal to 100. So this variable is called as instance variable. Okay, this is the single line comment. Okay, this is instance variable. A variable declared inside a class is called instance variable, and a variable and static int b is equal to 200. This variable is called as static variable. Not that with a static name. A variable declared with a static name is called a static variable. It can be declared inside a class, okay, or inside a object. Using an object we can access. I will explain later. Okay. Next, the local variable is inside a method void method. Okay, void method int c equal to 300. This is local variable. See that inside a method this variable cannot be used outside the class, only inside the value will be persisted or the variable can be accessed. If we using the c variable in outside, we cannot use this the c values. Okay, the static variable can be used anywhere because of it's inside the class. We can create object in the main function. I will explain later. Okay, and this is the instance class, instance variable. A variable declared inside a class is called variable, instance variable, with a static keyword. It will be called a static variable, and inside a method, if I declare a variable, it's called a local variable. Okay, now we are going to see what are the data types used in Java. So we understand the variable. Now we are going to see the data types. Okay, there are 8 types of data types we are using in Java. I will explain what are they. Okay, okay, between these we can this is the multi-line comments. Okay, these are the data types used. First is char type. Okay, char type, this is boolean is only returns true or false, but default value is false. It's 1 byte. Okay, 1 byte. So next is char is a character, the default value is 0. This is a Unicode. I will explain next what is Unicode. Okay, this is 2 bytes. Okay, it means 16 bit. This is 1 bit. Okay, 1 bit means 0 or 1. That's 1 bit. Here is a 2 byte. 2 byte means 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. So 2 byte is equal to 16 bit. Okay, next is byte. Byte is lesser than int and short. I will explain it. Byte is 1 byte. Byte is a data type and it is 1 byte. 1 byte means 8 bits. Okay, the default value is 0. It's already a default value is 0 or garbage values is 0. Then this short its default value or garbage value is 0. Then it is 2 byte. 2 byte means 16 bit, the multiple of 8. Okay, next is integer. This is integer. Its default value is 0 and its size is 4 byte. 4 byte is 4 into 8, 32 bit. Okay, 32 bits. Here using 32 bits. Next is long. Long is higher than integer. The default garbage value is 0L and 8 bytes. Okay, it means 64 bit. Okay, next is float. Float is same as long or greater than long, but it uses precisions. Okay, 0.0. We cannot use here 0.0 or accurate value. Okay, it have 4 bytes, same as the int. But next is double. Double is default value is 0.0d. This is the garbage value and 8 byte. Okay, so these are the data types we used in this Java. Okay, we can do an example. Here is, we don't need it. Okay, I can copy this for here. Okay, first byte. Declare a data type byte a equal to 100. Okay, to show this, system dot out dot print a. So here we are going to first, if we first time we need to run the application as, go to run as or right click and run as Java applications. Okay, this is the output 100. Okay, if we put 100 or 2000, okay, see that a error will occur because of type mismatch. It cannot convert from int to byte. This is not the range of byte, okay. That's why we can see the range of byte by type bytes dot max value. See that we can see the bytes max value by typing here byte dot, this is the byte data type, okay. 127 is the maximum value. Here we are if we used here 1000, it will display an error, okay. So we can use only the byte is maximum 22, max value is, see, max value is 22, 1 to 7, max value is 1 to 7, and minimum value is 126 minus 126. How can we know that the minimum value? We can use here the same function and paste here and type min value, okay. See that I just clear this and see max value 127, min value 128, sorry 120 minus 128, okay, minus 128. It means the value can be minus 128. See that no error. If we put 129, it will show an error. See that, okay, type mismatch cannot convert from int to byte. So here we can give this is the range. So next we are going to use int, not boolean, okay. We can use boolean b is equal to, the value must be true or false. True. So here true, see that the true, okay. If we using this as false, it will be displayed like false, okay. This is the just true or false. That's all. That's used for the boolean, okay. Next we are going to see the char, okay. The character is char. This is the char. Char ch is equal to, we cannot use this. This is for this string, okay. If we using char, this single quotation c, see that c, sorry, c h, okay. See that it's all string. We can see the max value of char. Here we can see the maximum value of the character can be, see that character dot max value. I think there is some error, character spelling is wrong, that's why. See that character, here we can see the maximum value of character is this is the unique. See that maximum value full of f, see, full of ff, this is the maximum value of character, okay. Next minimum value is 0 0 0, okay. I will min value, see, the min value is nothing but 0 is the min value, okay. Next is short. We can declare a variable as short sh is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 7 4 5 6. Okay, see that it's already show a from int to short, because short is, see that 2 bytes, 2 bytes means 8 into 2 16 bit. Okay, we can see the maximum value and minimum value of short. Okay, we can type here as short, S as cap letter and short. See, and here we need to declare. Okay, now his maximum value of short is, see that 32767. if we adding this number, we need to see here is 12,000. if we adding a number, it will be 1 lakh. So it is out of, see that it is out of our maximum is 32,000. Okay, the minimum value is, okay, the minimum value of short is, so we can't use 1 lakh, we can do up to 32,000. the minimum value is 32,000. okay, see that. Okay, next we are going to see next integer. So int is equal to, we can use 1 2 3 4 5 6. okay, int in, see that it's okay with the 1 tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 1 lakh. it is okay with integer. 1 lakh is okay with integer, because of the max value of integer is integer. See here java.language all, or here integer is, we can see the max value of integer is, see, wow, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 1c, 10c, 100c. oh nice, the value range up to 100c. so it's not problem, because we can 7, it's not a problem. 8, it's not a problem. 9, it's not a problem. We can use long integers, we can use in integer. Okay, the minimum value of the integer is, integer, the minimum value of integer is minus 214. There is long. Okay, next is long. See that long ln is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. also we can use the, okay, 9. okay, we can use more than the double of the int. here double of the int we can use. okay, the maximum value of long, buffer, no. okay, see long dot maximum value, see, wow, this is integer, this is long, we can use these higher range. okay, the minimum value of long is, see, the minimum value of long is minus this. oh, it's a long, that's why it's a long integer, that's why it's long, because of higher number can be used in long. okay, Okay, here we cannot use a dot pointer or 123.45. Precision number cannot be used in int, short, int, long, and boolean or byte, but we can use the precision in float. Float fl is equal to 123.456. So the range is less. Okay. What happens? Okay, here we didn't use. We can use the float is. I already said the float is 4 byte. That means 4 byte means 32 bit. 32 bit, but the maximum value. Okay, I just add f. So now it's a floating number. Okay, see that we can use this a long precision, that point precision. Okay, we can use a precision like this. I can maximum value of float is see the maximum value of float 3.400. See that the precision is we can e power 32. Oh, it's a long, very long with a precision. Okay, don't forget about the precision. That's why we use float. Okay, the minimum is 1.4 point e power minus 45. Okay, this is the minimum value, and we can next we are using double. Double db is equal to, the double can be we can give 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 dot 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, but we need to give the extension as we can use a, see the extension. Sorry, here the maximum range, here is the longer range. See, that's why double used for the long integer with precisions. Okay, we can see the maximum value of double max value. See that? Wow, 1 point. Wow, this to e power 308. See that, e power 308. So this power of exponential power of 308. So just that's a long precision number, and the minimum value is value of double is see 4.9 exponential of minus 3. Okay, we can use the minus. See that, the longer minus. See, we can use the longer minus, or see we can use here the longer minus. So I think we cover all the data types. Okay, these are the data types we use in, and I already explained what is the maximum value and what is the minimum value. In bytes we can use maximum value is 127. If you know a user from get from maximum 1000, so we can use in that field we can use int. Otherwise just 128 from minus 128 to 127 value we can use byte. Okay, here boolean is used for 0 or 1 or true or false, like flags. Okay, the character can be used for the char. These data types are used for primitive data types. Okay, these data types are primitive database, and there are non-primitive data types are used. I will show you an image. Okay, this the double can okay. Next, the short can be used for the uh, between the byte and the int. The short can be used, the int can be used between the short and the long, and the long can be used between the int and the float. Okay, I will show you the what is non primitive and non. So this is the data type data type hierarchy. Okay, this is the data type and primitive and non-primitive. There are two types of data types, primitive and non-primitive. In primitive there are two types, boolean and numerics. Okay, in numerics there are the boolean is only boolean. Okay, we already discussed that. The numeric is the character and integral. Okay, character is just used the character as char. You know that with a single quotes we use the char. Okay, numerical integral we can use the integer and floating point. Integer without a precision point. We can use a precision. We cannot use bytes in precision. Okay, bytes, short, int, long. These are without precisions, and floating point is float and double. Here we can use precisions, and here we can also use precision and long values. Okay, non-primitive data types is a string, array, etc. I will explain about these strings. Okay, it's a special case, and arrays is also a special case. Okay, the data types is two types, primitive and non-primitive. The primitive is boolean and numerical. Boolean means just return 0 or 1 or true or false. That's why it's different from the numerics. Numerics is two types, character type and integral type. Character type is like the strings, only one single character can be accessed at one time. Okay, within the single quotes. Okay, integral can be two integer and floating point. In integer we cannot use precision points, and in float we can use precision as well as in the integer we can be used. Okay, integer are bytes. The one of the lowest range from 1 to 8 to 1 to minus 1 to 8 to 1 to 7. Okay, short and higher than the bytes, and in the long. Okay, the float and double. So float is 4 byte and a double is 8 byte. Okay, this is the data types, primitive and non-primitive. Okay, so guys, now we understand what is variables and data types. Okay, now next tutorial I will continue with this the javas. Okay, if you like this video, please share and like. Thanks guys.